fact, last year we set a new record for American exports for the 5th year in a row, selling more than $2 trillion in goods and services. And fifth, we're making sure the FDA incorporates patient voices, your voices, into the decisions they make as they develop drugs. At the rate we're going, we are expected to spend 1/5 of our economy on health care within a decade. The fifth issue that we must address together is religious freedom. I know we got D. Wade here. I like watching the highlights, but sometimes instead of watching the third, fourth, fifth time Sports Center, I just watch it once so that I can then spend time with the girls because they don't like watching basketball that much. After many months of thoughtful deliberation, the fifth and final committee responsible for health care reform has passed a proposal that has both Democratic and Republican support. The fifth issue that we must address together is religious freedom. I should point out is still one behind the 6 he won with the Chicago Bulls. No. Kobe said not.
Yes! And what grades are you all in? 4th and 5th. How exciting.
They don't fully realize the strength you need to move your family for the 4th or 5th or 6th time in a decade.
If we remind ourselves of the fact that every 5th American today rightly points, and perhaps also with a certain degree of pride, to his German ancestry or her German ancestry, we can safely say that we indeed share common roots.
Welcome to the White House, and congratulations to Jimmy Johnson on winning his 5th straight Sprint Cup championship.
Under the creative direction of Gilles Mandel since 1981, the 5th generation of luxury brand was established on the principles of high quality, timeless style and craftsmanship.
In the state of Andhra Pradesh, citizen audits have uncovered fraud and theft of over $25 million, of which a 5th has already been recovered.
And that means we can't just rely on fossil fuels from the last century. We can reduce our dependence on foreign oil would be cut by nearly a 5th. Our investment in clean energy that are helping to break our dependence on foreign oil and are creating jobs here in Ohio would be cut by nearly a 5th. They brought home the Ram Falcon trophy with a decisive victory over Colorado State, a game that won them a bowl bid for a record-setting 5th straight year. All right, so that's 4, which brings me to the 5th.